Want to save big this limited time offer deal? Garmin Forerunner 55 is on sale, and here's why it's the best buy for you. Hey there, are you on the hunt for the perfect running buddy? Look no further because I've got the scoop on the Garmin Forerunner 55, the ultimate GPS fitness watch for 2025. This Garmin running watch is not just any ordinary tracker. It's your personal motivator, coach, and cheerleader wrapped into one sleek package. Picture this, you're hitting the pavement, feeling the burn, and crushing your goals, all while the Garmin Forerunner 55 is there by your side, tracking every step, heartbeat, and mile. It's like having a high-tech sidekick that pushes you to be your best self. And guess what? You can snag this gem at 25% off. Yes, you heard me right. Save 25% off on Garmin Forerunner 55 today and get the best budget running watch that's also a Garmin Forerunner smartwatch. So, lace up those sneakers, hit the road, and let the Garmin Forerunner 55 elevate your running game to new heights. And here's a fun thought. If Garmin Forerunner 55 could do my holiday shopping, it'd be my limited time offer deal hero. But even without that, it's a top pick. Thank you for joining us. Remember, Garmin Forerunner 55 is a limited time offer deal. Click to buy now. Save 25% off today on this amazing product.